You'll find the selection tools over here on the left on Illustrator CS6, and in Illustrator CC they're on your custom tool panel right here. If I choose the selection tool and hover over the edge of any shape, I'll get this little square. See that right there? And then I can click and drag this shape around wherever I want it to go. If I hover over a corner of the shape till I get the straight double-ended arrow, I can click and drag both sides in just about any direction. If I hold down the Shift key while I do this, it will constrain the shape to its original proportions. I can also hover over the corner of the shape till I get a curved double-ended arrow, and then spin this shape around in any direction that I want. If I hold down the Shift key while I do that, it will constrain the shape to the angles that the Tiger Embosser does the best with. The direct selection tool here is used in somewhat the same way. You'll hover over the shape until you get that little square again, and then click and drag, and you'll see that you're only moving one part of the shape this time. If you hold down the Shift key while you do this, you'll notice that the part you're dragging will remain in the same orientation that it was originally. You can use this tool to adjust just about any part of any shape. You just click on the part that you want to move and drag it to wherever you'd like it to be. If you use this same tool while working with the circle and click on the circumference, you'll see that you get these two lines with dots on the end. These are called handles, and if you grab them, you can stretch this section of the circle in all kinds of directions. Now if I click on the artboard to deselect the circle and then click on another point on the circumference, I get those same handles, but a different section is chosen. At this point, if you chose to hit backspace, then that piece of the circle would disappear, which is great if that's what you meant to do. If it's not what you meant to do, you can always hit Ctrl+Z to undo any mistake you just made in Illustrator.